There are a couple of options to remove collets from our mega nuts. It can be a bit of a challenge with the smaller sizes, especially when you can't get your fingers inside of the nuts. With all of our nuts, it's important to note that the release point is directly under the big logo. At any time I'm looking to remove a collet from a nut, I will be working in between the nut and collet directly under the logo. We have two products that can assist with collet removal. The first is the NVJ collet remover. What you do is get the NVJ in between the collet and the nut under the logo and lift, and the collet will come right out. It works on all sizes including the smallest nut sizes, Mega 6N style nuts. Just get the NVJ under the logo and lift to remove the collet. The other product we offer is the Collet Ejectors. These are plastic receivers that have an oblong form that is designed to deform the collet. It also has a spring-loaded mechanism to release the collet after removal. Just push the ejector on the collet and it will compress the collet in an odd shape. This allows the collet to be removed from the nut and the plunger is used to release it. The collet ejectors are available for NBS 6 to NBS 13 series collets.